Bonjour les amis, welcome to my channel where I bring you delicious and easy recipes that are sure to impress. Today we are taking a classic puff pastry dish and giving it a twist that we have your taste buds dancing. I'm going to fill the pastry parcel with a creamy, velvety bechamel sauce that is going to take this recipe to the next level. But that is not all. I have a secret ingredient that is going to make this parcel extra special. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So, join me in the kitchen as we whip up this flaky puff pastry parcel with a creamy bechamel surprise. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cooking recipe and don't forget to ring the bell as well. Like that you're never going to miss a very good recipe. So, let's get started.